The East and the West have always been two different worlds. Two geographical points with major internal differences, material resources and philosophies of life. These major differences have been present for centuries, but contemporary globalism has brought nations, customs, religions and needs closer over time and forced different peoples to be more focused on one another. The consumer society no longer knows any boundaries. Trade between East and West is now higher than ever. Every day, thousands of tons of diverse commodities cross the borders of the former Soviet republics, especially Russia, Ukraine, Belarus and Kazakhstan, on their way to consumers in the member states of the European Union. The territories of these former Soviet republics are known for their ore deposits and their food and energy resources. The most important of these is LPG, a commodity which is transported all over Europe by trucks. For strategic reasons, commodities arriving from these countries by rail must be transferred to European rail wagons because of the difference in gauge between Russian and European rail tracks. Commodities loaded in rail cars arrive at the Hungarian town of Záhony, just 5 kilometers from the Chop border crossing in Ukraine. Here, customs clearing is carried out along with the transfer to trucks and rail cars which distribute gas and other commodities to buyers across the entire Balkan region. Here, at the junction of 3 borders between Hungary, Ukraine and Slovakia, Transfer R conducts its business of reloading commodities from Russian to European rail cars. Transfer R is the first company to specialize in international transport and the reloading of goods in Záhony. The company's main activity is providing reloading, handling and storage of goods, foreign trade intermediation services, road and rail goods transport and customs forwarding operations. The company uses railway and road terminals to transfer goods from Russian to European wagons, and the terminal site ensures a sound strategic and logistic position. The company has at its disposal 3,000 square meters of covered storage space and 51,383 square meters of open-air storage, 1,854 square meters of which is occupied by the public customs warehouse. Transfer R is highly successful in expediting the safe transport of goods to the desired destination by both road and rail transport and carries out all kinds of customs clearing services with goods and representation with government and inspection authority. Our premises are available for the reloading of industrial and agricultural commodities, food products, building materials and other commodities. The company also uses a modern terminal for the reloading of liquid petroleum gas with a monthly capacity of 15,000 tons and storage of 2,000 cubic meters. The LPG refilling terminal has high-tech equipment from the world's leading manufacturers. In addition to LPG transfer, the terminal is also equipped for refilling pure propane, butane and other petroleum fractions. Transfer R has been efficiently developing its main business activity since 1990 and today, after 24 years, is a proud member of the Lion Group. Each and every operation is conducted in the fastest and most appropriate way, and this has brought the company to its current level of service provision. Our most important long-term partners in Hungary include ECO, NZRT Trade, UBM, Polin Trade, DIO and TechPol. We offer our clients the highest standards in the execution of tasks entrusted to us. Our objective is to reach the best possible position on the market in terms of quality of service provision in the field of customs forwarding and clearing operations, foreign trade mediation, and goods reloading and storage services. We meet this objective through constant improvements in all areas of business and constant innovation, improvement, investment, and ongoing professional development of our staff. Transfer R, your connection between East and West.